What if every home had a mini farm? Imagine opening your window to pick your own tomatoes, your kitchen filled with herbs, your rooftop buzzing with bees, your waste turning into food. Could it change how we live, eat, and even survive? In cities, most food travels thousands of kilometers before it hits your plate. But what if your salad was grown into your living room? Mini farms, small-scale gardens in homes could flip our food system upside down. From hydroponic shelves to vertical planters, mushroom boxes under the sink, and aquaponics with fish tanks in the garage. The farm of the future might not be in the countryside, it could be in your closet. If every home had a mini farm, waste would turn into resources, food scraps become compost, rainwater become irrigation, balconies become buzzing pollination stations. Even chickens or quails could be kept in small urban coops for daily eggs. Kids would grow up understanding where food comes from. Communities could trade spinach for strawberries, mint for mushrooms. Food security would increase, especially during crises or supply chain disruptions. No more panic buying, no more empty shelves. If every rooftop, window, and yard had a little green space, we'd cool down our cities, clean the air, and create homes for filled with life. Even just growing 10% of your food can make a huge impact on your health, your wallet, and the planet. So, what if your home could feed you every day, fresh and chemical-free? Maybe the future of farming starts right at your doorsteps. Would you start your own mini farm? Tell us in the comment, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wonders.